Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through the same chapter, that is chapter 4, and in this chapter, studying the earth, I will talk you or I'll explain you about maps, the importance of map. I had already explained you a small part of it, that how the voyagers or the ship peoples, they used to travel. They went on a long voyage or journey, and because of wrong map, because of wrong information, they did not return back to their home. So it was very necessary to have accurate maps. So Gerardus Mercator, he was the first man who made the maps, and he made the accurate map. And the persons who make maps are called cartographers. We will also, I'll also explain you about the types of maps. In the types of map we use it. So there is physical map, political map, topographical map, climatic map. So all these types of map we use for different purposes. So let's get started. And also when I'll tell you, you will show me your summer vacation holidays also, work also. Okay, the worksheets and the whatever work I had given you. When I'll inform you, then only you will tell me, or then only you'll send me. Okay, so let's get started. I'll explain you about the maps and the types of map we use in the world. And students, you write. I hope you had drawn the diagram which I had given you, cardinal directions. The direction map I had given you for chapter 4. So you will do that in your SST copy only. So let's get started. So students, as I had already explained you, tick the correct answer. What will you use to find the location of a place? So we will use the map. What do political maps show? It shows countries. How are rivers shown on a map? It is shown in brown color. So humans have always been curious to find new places and people. So what did they do? They traveled far across the seas and oceans. They had one medium, the oceans and the seas, to travel. And many voyagers, many people who used to travel, never returned, as they did not have the accurate route map. They did not have the correct map. Later on, more defined route maps are designed that made travel and exploration simpler for everyone. So maps, what are maps? Maps are used in our daily life too, but we never recognize their importance. Because see, we say na that go to this direction. If someone asks where is the market, so we'll say go to right direction or the left direction. So that is the map work only. Okay. So now, when you are going on a trip to a distant place, see, when we go to some far off place, your parents look up maps for direction. So what we look for? For maps. Maps provide various kinds of information like directions, routes, relative distance, that what is the distance between your city, your other city, etc. Then people who make maps, I have already told you, they are called cartographer. One of the maps, and one of the first famous cartographer was Gerardus Mercator from Germany, and a book of maps, what is it called? Atlas. Okay, it is a total collection of maps. Now students, we will come to the types of maps. Okay, maps can be broadly classified into following types. See how many are there? 7 types of maps are there. Physical maps. So what does physical map show? It shows Earth's natural features, what we have on the Earth, like mountains, forests, rivers, elevation or something, raised platform, like plateaus and all, relief, etc. Then political map, what did it show? Division of countries, how the country is divided, 2 countries are divided. States, political boundary, what are the political boundaries, how much area is one country having, the name of cities and capitals. Then resource maps, what did they show? Natural resources found in a region, what type of natural resources one region has. specific economic activities of different regions. What does this? How they grow their income? What economic activities they do? So this is the resource map. So some have agricultural importance, some have mineral importance, like that. Then climate maps, climatic condition in areas and distribution of rainfall and all. Then topographical map, what it shows? Contour lines, means what are the lines from where it starts, from where it ends. That is the contour lines. Okay. So then shape and elevation of an area, means what are the lining of the given area and what is its shape and what is its elevation. It is raised or it is down, like that. Then we come to the transportation maps. Now what are transportation maps, students? Show roads. It shows roads, railway lines, air routes, and also shows airports and railway junctions. So there are many lines on the map, and it shows from where one railway line goes to which route, from where which area it covers and all. Then special maps are also there. That is for vegetation, drainage, coastlines, roads and bridges, urban areas. So students, today we had gone with the types of maps. Physical map, political. I had given you in the summer vacation holiday also that you have to draw this table in your rough copy and show it to me, so that I will see it when I will see the summer holidays. Okay, holiday homework work. So today we had gone through all this, and I had also given you this diagram to draw in your SST copy. So you draw this diagram. Okay, and then tomorrow we will go through how to read a map, that how we can read a map. Map also has one language, so how we read it. So all these we will go through it tomorrow. That is distance, directions, and direction, distance, large designations, and description, detail and all that. So we will go through that. Okay, thank you.